Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by setting tempo and foundation. Set the BPM to 120-128 because house sits in that groove. Choose a 4/4 grid and an 8-bar loop to lock ideas. Create a new electronic template, enable metronome, and turn on auto-quantize so clips align. Next, pick a key and add a drum track using Drum Machine Designer. Program a basic kick on every beat. Once done, duplicate the region so you can iterate while keeping the loop intact. You craft the groove by designing a mono bass that locks with the kick. Use a low-pass filter, gentle saturation, and route a sidechain compressor from the kick to create pumping. Layer percussion. Place claps on beats 2 and 4, program steady 1/8 hi-hats, and add swung 1/16 for movement. Then apply mix tools, compressor, EQ to cut 100-200 Hz mud, and leave about -6 dB headroom. Make sure to group drum buses. For parallel processing, you finalize by arranging sections. Intro, build, drop, breakdown, and outro. Aim for 64 to 128 bars total and automate filter sweeps, reverb sends, delay repeats, and risers to shape energy. Create transitions with white noise, reverse cymbals, and transient edits. Automate bass cutoff to create tension. When satisfied, bounce stems and a stereo master with conservative limiting. If things go wrong, check phase, solo suspected tracks, and use a notch EQ to remove problem frequencies. Make sure mixes translate on headphones and monitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.